I am Luciana Hartwin. Welcome to the Lilith Verse. As always, if you found value in this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Unveiling the Mystery. Divine Relationships in Pagan Paths. Welcome back as we explore the vibrant tapestry of pagan pantheons, each offering a unique window into the divine. Today, we delve deeper into a cornerstone of many pagan paths: divine relationships. Building bridges. What are divine relationships? Unlike some monotheistic religions with a single god, pagan paths often encourage cultivating relationships with a variety of deities. These bonds can be deeply personal and multifaceted. But what exactly does it mean to have a divine relationship? Imagine a bridge. On one side stands you, the individual, and on the other, the vast realm of the divine. A divine relationship is about building that bridge, forging a connection with a deity or deities that resonate with you. This connection can take many forms. Some pagans might feel a sense of awe and reverence, while others might experience a more personal and intimate connection, seeking guidance or companionship with their chosen deities. It's important to remember that these relationships are personal journeys. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. As someone drawn to strong, independent figures, I've found a particular connection with Lilith's story. Her courage to challenge the status quo and fight for her own agency resonates with me, and I find her a powerful archetype to explore within pagan beliefs. In fact, the entire channel is devoted to her. I think of her as being my spiritual mother. Expressions of devotion. How pagans connect with the divine. Now let's explore some ways pagans cultivate these divine relationships. Many pagans engage in devotional practices. This could involve prayer, offerings, or simply spending time in nature, reflecting on the deity's associated qualities. For instance, if you have a connection with the sun god in your tradition, you might spend time meditating at sunrise, soaking up the sun's rays and expressing gratitude. Offerings are another way to connect. These can be symbolic gestures, like leaving food or flowers at a sacred space. Don't forget about rituals. Many pagan traditions incorporate rituals to honor specific deities. These rituals can be elaborate or simple, but they all serve as a way to connect with the divine on a deeper level. By incorporating these practices into your life, you're nurturing that connection, creating a space for communication, and fostering a sense of closeness with the deities you revere. Finding your path. Different traditions, different relationships. We've talked about general practices, but how does this concept of divine relationships play out in specific pagan paths? In Wicca, for example, practitioners might work with a specific god and goddess, forming a committed relationship built on mutual respect and reciprocity. In Druidry, the emphasis might be on connecting with nature spirits and the deities associated with the land. Ancestral veneration is another aspect of divine relationships in some pagan traditions. Here, individuals cultivate connections with their ancestors, honoring their wisdom and guidance. It seems like the possibilities are endless. The beauty of pagan paths lies in their diversity. You can find a way to connect with the divine that resonates with your own beliefs and practices. Building your own divine connection. So, how can someone interested in paganism start building their own divine relationship? Sparking a connection. Finding deities who resonate. Well, obviously for me, my deity that I resonate with is the goddess Lilith. I have more of my backstory elsewhere, but she appeared to me when I was came to me at a very difficult time when I had a relationship that was breaking up and I was feeling very lost and I was floundering. So she came to me and gave me everything that I asked for within reason. And in return, as part of my own relationship working with her, I began this YouTube channel. I have a Instagram channel devoted to her and also a little bit of an Etsy shop. So it's all about meeting, finding, connecting, and then the ask from your deity will be something that probably resonates with you, something that already kind of fits in your wheelhouse. I'd already had a YouTube channel that had been monetized, so for me it was a perfect fit when she asked me to start a YouTube for her. All right, now, a great first step on your journey towards building divine relationships is to delve into the rich variety of pagan pantheons. Each tradition boasts a unique collection of deities, each with their own stories, attributes, and domains. Consider this a treasure hunt, an exciting exploration to discover deities who resonate with your own values and aspirations. Now, here's a way to start. Unveiling the pantheon. Start by researching the major pagan pantheons. We've explored some, like the Norse pantheon with its thunderous gods and Valkyries, or the Celtic pantheon, steeped in nature's magic. But there's a whole world out there: Egyptian, Greek, Roman, and many more, each offering a vibrant cast of deities. Beyond the names. Don't just skim names and titles. Dive deeper. Read myths and stories associated with the deities. What are their roles and responsibilities? What challenges do they face? How do they interact with the world and humanity? Mirror, mirror on the wall. As you explore these stories, pay attention to how you react. Does a particular deity's courage resonate with you? Perhaps a goddess of wisdom sparks your intellectual curiosity, or a trickster god's mischievous nature brings a smile to your face. Notice which deities arouse your interest and why. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's about finding a connection. Some deities might simply hold your fascination, while others might ignite a deeper spark, a sense of kinship, or a desire to learn. These are the deities who hold the potential to blossom into meaningful divine relationships within your pagan path. Meditation can also be a powerful tool. Spend time in quiet contemplation, focusing on a particular deity. See if you receive any messages, feelings, or insights. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different practices. See what feels right, and trust your intuition. Building a divine relationship is a lifelong journey of exploration and connection. Personally, I am a child of the dark goddess Lilith, but I also have a working relationship with the Egyptian cat goddess Bastet, although it's less of a mother-child, and I kind of think of her as more of my protector and mentor, so it's a little bit different. I also work with the local Druid Grove, and the paths and the opportunities are many. You can be as many different things and work with as many different deities as resonate with you. Everyone has their own path. I don't believe in gatekeeping, so explore what interests you and see and research. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. If so, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. I have been Luciana Hartwin. Thank you for joining me today here in the Lilith Verse.